Students, today we are going to solve practice set 1.1 from chapter number 1 sets. So let's start. Now the first question is, write the following sets in the roster form. Means the examples are given to you in the statement form. You have to convert it into the roster form. So first example is set of even numbers. Means you have to write down all even numbers in that set. Here your name of the set is A. So therefore A is equal to, in curly bracket, we are going to write even numbers. So even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. Now the second example is set of even prime numbers from 1 to 50. There are many prime numbers between 1 to 50. But here you have to write down only even prime number. And even prime number is only 2. So therefore B is equal to, in curly bracket, 2. 2 is a even prime number. Third example is set of negative integers. You know already there are many integer numbers like all positive numbers, all negative numbers and 0 are the integer numbers. But here you have to write down only negative integers. So therefore your set is C is equal to, in curly bracket, -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. Now the fourth one is 7 basic sound of Sargam Sur. Means D is equal to, in curly bracket, Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Da, Ni. Here all these are basic sound of Sargam. Now let's take question number 2. Question number 2 is write the following symbolic statement in words. Means the symbolic statement is given to you. You have to convert it into the words. Let's take first example. 4 upon 3 belongs to Q. That sign is known as a belongs to. Q means rational number. So 4 upon 3 belongs to Q. You have to write down in words. It means 4 upon 3 is an element of set Q. Now the second one is -2 is not belongs to capital N. What is mean by capital N? Capital N means natural number. It means -2 is not belongs to natural number. We write it as -2 is not an element of set N. Now the third example, P is equal to, in curly bracket, P such that P is an odd number. That straight line is known as a such that. So P such that P is an odd number. This is very simple. How we can write down? Set P is a set of all P's such that P is an odd number. Let's solve fourth question. Write the following sets using listing method. Means the examples are given is in the statement form. You have to write down in the form of listing method. Now the first example is all months in the Indian solar year. Means here you have to write down all the Marathi months like Chaitra, Vaishak, Jyeshta, Ashad, Shravan, Bhadra, Ashwin, Kartik, Margashish, Paush, Magh and Falgun. So all these are Indian solar year. So therefore we write the set as A is equal to, in curly bracket, all these months of solar year. Now the second example is letters in the word complement. Here you have to write down letters from word complement. So which letters are present in complement word? We write down B is equal to, in curly bracket, C, O, M, P, L, E, N, T. Now the third example is set of human sensory organs. Students, you know already there are 5 sensory organs. Which are they? Nose, ears, eyes, tongue and skin. So therefore our set is C is equal to, in curly bracket, nose, ears, eyes, tongue and skin. Now the fourth example is set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. Now here you have to write down all prime numbers from 1 to 20. So which prime numbers are between 1 to 20? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19 are the prime numbers between 1 to 20. Now the last example is name of continents of word. Which are they? Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia, Antarctica, South America and North America. So this is your set of continents of the world. Now the next question is question number 5. Write the following sets using rule method. Means the sets given to you are in the form of listing method. You have to just convert it into the rule method. Now the first example is A is equal to in curly bracket 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81 and 100. You can clearly see here all numbers are the square of 1 to 10 numbers. Means 1 is the square of 1, 4 is the square of 2, 9 is the square of 3. Like this 100 is the square of 10. So we write this in the form of rule method as A is equal to in curly bracket x such that here x is the variable. Now that straight line is known as a colon. So x such that x is equal to n square. Means value of x is the square of any number. Which number? N belongs to capital N. That number is from natural number. And also that number is less than equal to 10. So therefore we can write down all the squares between 1 and 10. Now the second example is B is equal to in curly bracket 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42 and 48. All these numbers are multiple of 6. So how we can write down in rule method? B is equal to in curly bracket x such that x is equal to 6n. 6n means multiple of 6. Now n is belongs to natural number. All numbers are positive numbers. So therefore n belongs to natural number. But n is less than 9. Less than 9 means up to 8. Means you have to put the value of n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you put all these values in n, you will get all the numbers from set B, that is 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42 and 48. Now the third is C is equal to in curly bracket SMILE. From these letters we make one word, that is smile. So therefore we can write this set as C is equal to in curly bracket Y such that Y is a letter in the word smile. Now fourth example is D is equal to in curly bracket Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. You know already all these are the 7 days in the week. So therefore we write down this as D is equal to in curly bracket Z such that Z is day of a week. Now the fifth example is X is equal to in curly bracket AET. From these letters we form one word and that is eat. So therefore we write this set as X is equal to in curly bracket Y such that Y is a letter in the word eat. So students, I hope you will understand how to solve practice set 1.1. Thank you.